I'm going to show Dovetail, a VSCode extension for generating broader cross-file changes to a project. We're building an app with Dovetail and it's running on the right, and it's currently just a form with two fields. And we want to add a field for eye color. So we tell Dovetail what we want and it generates an implementation plan, as you can see. Notice that the plan is high level and quite skimmable. Okay, the plan's been generated now, and now Dovetail will start generating code. We can easily check the code as it's being generated because it's shown in context with the relevant part of the plan. So that's a diff being created right in front of us. And now that diff's complete, so it moves on to the next part of the plan it needs to implement. Now we'll let Dovetail generate the rest of the code, and the running app automatically updates on the right so we can try out our change instantly. So we'll fill out the form, name, height, and now eye color. Thanks for watching.